Okay, we're back. Um, so can I change the category of this actually? It's not in gaming. It should not be in gaming. Uh, you know what? We'll set it to gaming. Um, that's fine. I'll add to programming streams, not made for kids. Because you know what? Gaming gets more views. Um, you know what? No, I'll put it in programming because it's more likely to appeal to the programming crowd than anybody else. Huh? Uh, What an entertainment. I feel somewhat more fitting. Regardless. Um, Oops. Okay. Oh boy. What happened? God forbid. Oh, God forbid. Okay, so for context, if you haven't seen the last stream, I recorded myself doing a bunch of slurs and a bunch of cursing. So, that's the context for this video. You will see and probably hear a lot of slurs and a lot of cussing. Just expect it. Because in order for this filter to work, you have to be exposed to those words. If you do not like it, I'm sorry. Please leave this stream now. Should have said that about a minute ago, but um yeah, I apologize for that. That's my bad. But you should have seen the first stream in order to figure this one out. At the very end I talk about it. So, here we are. Okay, I don't understand. What triggered this? Okay, so transcript comes from transcript v3. I know that. Does transcript v3 write anything? Okay, it simply just writes things to the file. So my output.txt should have, yeah. Yeah, okay. So it looks like it's working fine. Um, Computer stop. Okay, so transcript to bleeps is run second, but run first. Run first should go first, obviously. Well, it transcripted. For some reason, it's trying to attempt to run the second one. From transcript, import star, line 6, transcript. How did I import that? Oh, good God. No. Pound. Line 9. Hello? Giga speech is in here. One moment. It's the exact same thing. Um, oh, audio mono. Okay, hold on. Just rerun this. Oh, hold on. I'm confused. This must have been commented out after that as the old version of this. Okay, I'm understanding now. Okay. Open the model. Model. Hold on. Oh, goober. Hold on, did I hardcode something? Um, no. And where's this at? Yeah, I know video demo 2 cannot be found. Goober. I might just be super dumb. Did something get reverted? Or am I just dumb? God forbid. This is gonna take some time. I can't do much about this from here. This is just purely gonna take time. That's just what's up. Yeah. And you know what? That's fine. I need to go check my laundry anyways. So I know it's making the audio file in order for a transcript to be generated. After that audio file is done, which it looks like it probably is, as you can see here. So yeah, it is done. Right now, that just finished its transcription. Yeah. Um, this is an old print. It needs to say, we're in second. There. But, anyways, okay, yeah, there's all my bad words. um, something again not save. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. Let me Okay, I'm gonna need this. I'll add like 5 seconds onto it if I feel like it. So remember, this is for I just made the temp file, and I believe it's replaced the audio and is now rewriting the video. At the end of this, or while it's doing whatever, I'm gonna do probably Control C and see if it caught the first curse word, which should be S. See, that went so fast. So if I, what are you named again? Alright, this is an audio. I don't know how much of a time gap there will be between, but here we go. Okay, so yeah, it got the first one. The reason I had to play it quickly, was because what I have it doing is I have it naming it this thing 2, and then in the program at the end, it will remove the original video file, which is what I was just watching, and then it will rename this temporary 2 file to the original, basically, this is the original name of the video file, right? This is generating the second one. So what it does here is it deletes the original one, and then this copy that has the blurping, or beeping, it renames it to the original name, so that it can be fed back into itself. This process is what takes the most time, and the most energy. So, realistically, what I need to do is, like I was saying before, I need to feed this final audio clip back into this as basically this, overlay sound. Or rather, I need to move this loop into here, because it's destructive. Because you see how fast the audio is ripping. It's just writing that takes so much time. And you can see that, like, for this, like, minute, 10-second long video, it doesn't take long to do it compared to the length of the actual video for one word, for it to completely rewrite the video. But when you have to do it so many times, this many times, to be exact, divided by 3, it's a problem. Yeah, so it has to do this 49 times for this demo. I just looked for the word start. I'm not gonna, for this entire array. I just did this into, yeah. So that's how many times it's gonna have to find the word. I mean, like, shoot, if I search end, it's gonna show me, yeah, 49. But it's gonna have to do this for, how many seconds is that? 47 seconds. Times, what was that? 49? Then divided by 60. It will take basically 40 minutes if I round to do this process. 39, 40, whatever, which is ridiculous if I let this sit here. So I could be just letting this run for this clip because I cursed that many times, 49 times in an entire video. And keep in mind, this is a short video, a minute and 10-second long video. So that's the thing that's holding it back. I will let this run overnight because I want to see what's up. Um, get. That's valid. That's valid. That's valid. Um, but yeah, this needs to change. Well, I might not let this run overnight. Um, I need to go take out my laundry right now. But that's kind of the problem, is that this process is not slow, as in having to do one at a time is not bad. But holy crap, if you have to do it a lot, it's a problem. The reason I kind of want to let this run overnight, and keep in mind, this calculation does not account for that little, like, where it stops, prints all that out, and then goes again. Well, I say, when you get what I'm saying. It doesn't count for that transition time. So it's going to take longer than this. Only by a few seconds, but that's repeated over literally 49 times. So if it takes an extra, 49 times, that's an extra 49 seconds. If it's 1 second for each thing, so. Uh, I know that's silly, but the reason I'm doing this to begin with, not that it matters really, but just so I can throw it out there, is purely because I want to do a project over winter break, even though technically school starts today in like less than 6 hours. Oh, God forbid, in less than 6 hours. Ugh, better go to bed. Um, it's because I would like to upload more, and I hate to say it, I won't have time this semester, or ever, really, to commit enough time just to editing. Like, if I want to upload, like, a funny clip of, um, Lethal Company or something, um, it might take me, a few minutes to, remove the curse words and everything. Um, and Adobe, what is it, Premiere Pro, whatever it is, basically one of the Adobe programs that would be used for video editing. I looked it up. It does not have this feature. Now, it can do transcripting for you. That's nice. But so can Movie Clip Champ or whatever. You know, this application down here, Clip Champ, which I use to do shenanigans because it's faster than having to learn Adobe because the UI for this is just simple, quick, done. And eh, the short answer is I don't learn Adobe, but you get my point. It doesn't do the job it needs to. It also does transcripting though, or at least the feature's there, and it can ignore curse words too. It says in the program that I can check that. However, it does not bleep them out, and nor can Adobe. What the person online recommended when I looked this up, they suggested that use the transcripting and use the transcripting to find curse words. So you go to that timestamp, so you can just quickly look through your entire video for cursing. Well, I'm already doing that with this program. So at least that's a section of the program. It's just transcripting the video. So at the very least, I can do that process with Clipchamp without having to, you know, have Clipchamp attempt to process, this whole thing for like an hour plus long video or whatever, right? I mean, I probably only upload like a 20-minute video or whatever, and if I want to like clip out myself, like transitional periods or whatever, that's fine. But me clipping out every single curse word and like getting it perfect to the time, just because I'm so nitpicky with that, that would tick me off. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna spend that much time doing that. But if I have a program do it for me, that's another story. I will spend hours making a program to do something that will take me literally minutes to do. That's what automation and programming does for you. The alternative would be for me to just stop cursing. However, I cannot stop my friends from cursing and say, "Hey, I'm recording." Or if we get so tired our filters are gone, it's a waste of time, Like I said, I got other and more important things to do. This little YouTube recording thing and whatever, shorts and whatever, it's just for fun, you know. I don't expect to make money out of it. It'd be nice to, maybe get like 20 bucks free a month. I mean, shoot, that's, free food. For a meal or two, you know. But I know investing more time into this and figuring this out you know. But it's not like my lifelong dream to do this or anything, you know. But it would be nice, a nice little side hustle, you know, for me to just play video games, voice chat, whatever, you know, hang out with my friends and post it, you know. Yeah, no, yeah, no. So right now it is on this timestamp. How's that? 33. So it's around this area. 34 point whatever. Yeah, probably around here. Whatever. So yeah, and it's been 10 minutes for that much progress of the whole thing. Like, come on, guys. I can stop the program I want to see the video quality. That's my problem. I want to see the quality of the video when it comes out after all 49 attempts. That's really what I want to see. That's going to be an additional 40 minutes. I'll do laundry and I'll see where I'm at. Because I know that this filter needs to go into here. Yeah. So realistically, I could copy all these files and make another GitHub. Let's call it V3. You know, I could and go for it. But realistically, like I said, I need my sleep and I need to do my laundry. So this is just kind of me talking myself, you know, talking stuff out right now in my head. Um, so yeah, I'll do my laundry and I'll just kind of commentate, you know, stuff. Not that anyone's watching right now. Let me get my laundry. Yes. Oh man. Me. Oh, that's dirty. Yeah, just fold over the door. Oh yeah, I guess I can talk and do stuff too from the other room since it's wireless. But yeah, I know I just need to move that filtering changing thing. Just right before the rewrite, which technically speaking, in terms of like the video clipping stuff, I could have done that too. It probably would have realistically, that's probably all I needed to do in order to make it work correctly. But it does make me feel personally better knowing that, and yes, I know technically speaking the audio file generated from the transcript is never used and is thus a wasteful use of memory and should be deleted afterwards. I digress. I just lost my train of thought. It's almost 4 a.m., guys. There you tell, anyways. But yeah, probably if I would have just moved that son of a gun when I should have, be fine. But like I said, it makes me feel better knowing that I moved the audio editing file, or that I'm really only just editing audio right now and not video. Now, I will say that if the video quality dropped at all, then that's a problem. Now I want to state that the video quality drop that you had saw from the original demo 2 video, that I said those curse words in a pretty similar manner that I recorded in that video before, or the new video I just made today. And I said it, what I mean by that is I said it the exact same amount of times, 49. Now, with that being said, that does not necessarily mean that the transcriber picked it up correctly, all of them up correctly, because I cannot recall the length of the array. Alexa, 49 divided by 3. Okay, yeah, I must have missed something, because, wait, hold on. Yeah, because I repeated those phrases 3 times, and, or at least that array, I said that cursing words array, whatever, the cursing array, 3 times over, and, if you divide the count of 49 by 3, you get 16.333, infinite 3s after that. Meaning that either it picked up an additional word, or something else. But my philosophy is that I'd rather have a false, I believe the terminology is a false positive, meaning that it triggers when it shouldn't, rather than a, a true positive means that it does what it should when it should. You get it. I'd rather it beat me out too much than not enough. So long as the words are caught. Now, I think what I was trying to say before I lost my train of thought is that I could have had the video clip thing where it just kept doing that loop over and over and over again, and the audio quality got worse progressively in the video from continuous cursing and clipping, and then, reclipping and reclipping, which makes sense why the video quality dropped for, the more you got in the video, because at that point you'd have a copy of a copy of a copy of a copy, which explains that initial part not looking great either. Well, anyways. You can make arguments for certain things, but I don't care too much right now. Fact of the matter is the video quality dropped when it should have been retained. Now, that could be argued because in general it was a copy of a copy of a copy of a copy. Or the cursing sections were copied more frequently due to snipping and stuff. That's my argument. In addition to the copy of the copy of the copy. However, so I suppose you could say that by me now just editing the audio, not taking a video clip with the video and audio, that should help part of my problem. However, now that I think about it, moving the array, the start and end checker to the inside of that function would probably have circumvented most of the problems. By simply appending at the very end just all of the videos together. However, when thinking about it, that would be a lot of temporary storage compared to just rewriting an audio file over and over and over and over again. Even if it was just the audio file, that's why I said relooping the final audio in, as opposed to, yeah. Now, realistically, I can just only refeed the audio back in, Or, like it's doing now, I can refeed the video back in. Um, the entire video back in, which, like I said before, I just want to do audio. To be honest, I was unaware that you could do, well, at least when I need to, similar audio editing with Movie until I asked ChatGPT for verification. Because, again, lazy, didn't read the documentation. Go figure. And because of that, I went down the audio route. I'm happy I did. As in only editing the audio, and I was planning on editing all the audios together as I was planning on doing the video. However, if the audio editing process itself is fast enough for me to just simply refeed the final audio snippets together, then shoot, I'm gonna do that. As long as the audio desync, as long as that there's not noticeable audio desync after having to edit all those things 40 some odd times. Why did I just do that to my jeans? As in, snip out the audio and put it back in. The audio, put it back in. If that is a problem, I might need to reevaluate a lot of things. Mayhaps. Mayhaps. But regardless of the outcome, should be interesting. Right now I'm in the other room folding laundry. I'm AFK, so if there are any chatters, I cannot tell. But, yeah, that is the ramblings of a tired programmer. And in case you're wondering, my degree is in my undergraduate, my BS, if you will, is in electrical and computer engineering. And that is officially on my, God forbid, diploma. The words electrical and computer engineering. If you go through my university now, it's just computer engineering. But if you are a competent person who is hiring, you'll know the difference between a computer engineer and electrical engineer. But unfortunately, there are people who are not. A computer engineer is a more specialized, I don't know if I have enough hangers, version of an electrical engineer, meaning that we took literally the exact same classes as an electrical engineer. We just took an additional few programming classes. That's pretty much it. So I'm a better programmer, theoretically, than an electrical engineer. Again, theoretically. Or I should say your average electrical engineer. Theoretically. But, with that being said, I'm just doing this programming thing, like I said, for fun, as a project I was doing over winter break, because on January 1st, so, what, like 16 days ago? Wow, it doesn't feel like that. I had purchased Lethal Company for my brother, his girlfriend, and myself, and we've pretty much been playing it nearly every day ever since. And because of that, I wanted to record because it's so funny to watch clips online of people playing Lethal Company, right? I mean, I enjoy watching when I have time or whatever. At least during this break I did, watching the compilation of funny clips of people playing Lethal Company, of all the running into landmines, turrets, modded, unmodded, didn't matter. It was all funny stuff. And so, at the very least, with the mouth that I have on me, and the mouth that my friends have, if I want to get out a video clip of playing Lethal Company, even a minute long. I mean, one of them that I uploaded, I believe recently, with Riley in it, I should have put Lethal Company in the title, but I digress, is that there were at least 3 curse words in that minute. Now, granted, it was an extreme case where something, bad happened with the lightning. Go check it out. I thought it was pretty funny, obviously. Um, but regardless, they're still cursing in it, and that is not good. If I want to appeal to more people, I can't curse. So either I need to change my own language, all my friends also need to change their own language, which is a much harder task, or I need to manually edit them bleeping out. And like I said prior, I don't want to commit the time to edit videos during the semester because, frankly, my degree is, well, correction, my master's degree in electrical engineering is a lot more important than a consistent upload schedule, and no other program can do what mine can. So why not? Why not just do what I'm, saying right now? Why not just make a program that can do it for me? When I talked to the actual one of my friends who's a computer science, who got their bachelor's in computer science, they told me that I was dumb and was wasting time because I could probably just do what I'm doing now in a matter of minutes. But realistically, as in, I could get a video, clip out some parts, make some clips, bleep out the words, and upload them. Which, it's the main part of the bleeps. Yes, I can use the transcript to, search the entire thing and look for curse words or similar curse words, or I thought it did it. Or I could simply just make the program do it for me. I mean, in my opinion, personally, if I already have the transcript, I don't see why I can't automate it further. And so that was my philosophy. And again, he still called me stupid. But he does not make video content or anything. And I'm not making it for video editors or anything. I'm just making it for a fun project, or rather, I made it as a fun project and something that I can learn from in terms of programming in general, because I've learned that if I don't keep my skills up for programming, even just the basics, then I lose them. And frankly, I enjoy programming in these little side projects, as long as that I get to do them and whatnot. As in, I guess you could say I can do them on my own time. Of course, I have other classes and projects and whatnot, and I have worked on a project throughout a semester for fun, because that semester was abysmal, and I needed something to keep me going that I was good at to outweigh the things that I was terrible at, class-wise. But at the end of the day, I don't know if this time around I will be able to do this project. And I know I'm like right there at the very end, I think, and I pray to God, of the project where I can just realistically, I just need to move that array into that function into the existing function, and just import the data that it's using, and then just write the file at the very end. But I guess I wanted for it to compile. Oh man. Looking at what I have clothes-wise left. At this point, I'm folding up pants because I don't have enough hangers to support it. For context, I kind of just started siphoning clothes from a container I have for winter clothes, and I didn't worry about this. Basically, this is the first time I've done laundry where all of my clothes have been together in one place, as in all laundry is completed, because I wanted to do get a fresh start for this semester. Just have all my laundry done, all of my personal trash, and my bedroom, bathroom, and everything taken out. So tomorrow, and the beginning of the semester, I don't have to worry about these things. Just kind of like last time, the beginning of the semester when I moved in, I don't have to worry about these things. Theoretically speaking, I don't remember if I did or not. But yeah, that's what's up. Just finished with laundry. Just need to load everything into my closet. But yeah, that was my idea, anyways. It's just generic util, so I'll swap these two out here in a minute. I'm gonna run to the restroom. But that's why I'm awake. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna run to the restroom. Alright, I'm back. At this rate, I'm contemplating not going to bed because it'll be only 2 hours of sleep. Because I don't want to mess up my sleep schedule. I've done so good to not mess it up, yet I stayed up doing laundry. No, I need to go to sleep. I need to fix my sleep schedule as the days go by. Probably go to bed a little earlier and earlier. Dang it. Yeah, I need to go to bed after this. Which means that it probably won't finish compiling. I don't remember when it started, what time. Because if I work on that program anymore, I'm going to stay up till 6. And that's a problem. I'd rather have 2 hours of sleep and than none at all. So that's my philosophy. Alright, I'm gonna put up my socks and start bringing my clothes in. I'll check on the compilation here in a moment. Ooh, shut the door because it's warm in here. I'll keep that warm in. It's literally 16 degrees Fahrenheit. You heard me right, Fahrenheit. It's kind of worth, temperature's kind of worth every bit. So, yeah, no. That's how long it's been thus far. How long did I calculate for? Like 40 some odd? Or, no, it's close. That's close. Probably by the time that I get all my clothes in here, I'll probably be done. But yeah. Okay, these are night pants, night shirts, and thermals. here. But yeah, fun stuff this program is, indeed. Now I will say that, oh lord, I think this might be one of the first times I've been messing with video to this extent with Python in the past, or in general, rather. The only time I messed with it in the past is for downloading Discord videos for the WAB, wireless announcement board. And what that did is it took in I downloaded the video file that somebody sent the bot via a specific command. It checked the audio or the video file. Let's say media file, because it could have been, when I say media, I should say visual media specifically. It would take in a video, a GIF, or a picture. And if it was a video, it would download the video. And since I'm using a 32 by 32 LED RGB LED matrix display, I used a Python library by, I feel like Helzer was part of the name. I know HE was part of it. Helmzer? I don't remember exactly, but the library basically allowed me to connect my Raspberry Pi up to it and everything, and then I strapped a Discord bot to it. So basically, via the Discord bot, when I sent it visual media, the basically the bot that was being hosted by the Raspberry Pi, it would take the media that was sent by the person. Of course, it would check the file type and everything first, and check its size. So if it was a zip bomb, it would know to obviously not download zips, not download anything. As long as it was media, it would download it and do some safety checks. I'm not going to disclose too much about that. But after performing safety checks, it would basically, sorry, I'm trying to fit this sucker in here. Yeah, after doing safety checks, it would download the file, the best it could from checking via Discord, checking file size, checking file names, etc., etc. And then from there, I believe it'd perform another safety check before executing the file. At least I hope there was. I'm pretty sure there was. Regardless, if there's not, there's an ability to. But from there, it would. Actually, I'll just use this shirt tomorrow. Gigabrain, Gigabrain. Yeah, it would take the file, and it would convert that file into. It would take the file name, it'd store it into a library, where it'd store the file extension as well. Which is pretty much just a fancy way of saying I stored into a text file. And it would pre-process this file, because the library could pre-process files. And by pre-processing the file, that allowed me to, if I were to resend the file again, a second time, third, fourth, infinite times afterwards, with the same file type and file extension, then there was a pre-processed, basically raw output that I could invoke that would save time. Oh, it just finished. So my prediction was right. It was about 38 minutes, 39 minutes. Awesome. That's sweet. That it was pretty close to being accurate on prediction. Computer, 47 times 49.
47 times 49 is 2,303.
Computer, 2,303 divided by 60.
2,303 divided by 60 is approximately 38.3833.
38.33. Yeah. Computer, 0.33 times 60.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Should have said 0.33. Whatever. Um, just to get my point. So, yeah, it would just take the file and then display the raw file if it was invoked again. Which, if you're me, you reuse the same memes all the time and everything. And so if I wanted to invoke it, I could. If I wanted to delete one, it was a little harder because if I wanted to delete the storage areas, I could delete the raw file. Basically, the media file would be deleted as soon as it was processed. So that was nice. If I had a large video file that couldn't compile, then it would, I think, be deleted immediately, or it would report to me that it couldn't be deleted, or whatever, but via Discord. And it would tell me when it was completed, also, whatnot, but I digress. Um, those were scissors. So, anywho, um, that's the only real video editing processing I've done. And that was, I literally just invoked a pre-made command to compile the video media file, so video or GIF, and then delete that file. So this is a bit more involved, and it's with Python, so it's nothing crazy. But let me mute the desktop audio and play the video, because I don't need those words out there for me saying it. Me saying those words out loud. Alright, this is an audio. This is the original file. Alright, this is an audio test. Alright. Well, might as well see if the audio is fine. So, for context, it's good that I had my cursor move with the words because now I can see which words I'm trying to say instead of trying to suss it out later. Didn't mean for it to work out that way. I'm happy I did. Um, it seems it it's caught every single word for context. Um, for this word, it got ing as in, well, it got this word, this word, this word, but it didn't get the king part. So that's interesting. Um, Not sure if this took a priority over this, if I need to swap these. Because it just iterates through the array, and then it's like, okay, I found you, go to the next word. That's probably it. Um, what file is that? Find cursing. Find cursing, find cursing. Um, I'll just delete that word. Because it's not gonna detect that. Let me double check that one. Um, Let me check the transcript as well. What time? Ooh, don't do that. What timestamp is this? 28? I think I heard ing. Yeah, it heard. Um, but a minute. Okay. For context, for those two words at the end there, I'll just leave it at that. It does detect them here. The next part is what I'm more interested. But for some reason, it says this, but it says this, but it says this with the I. So you can tell what word it is. I don't know if the program can if I run it back through. Um, as I'm checking this, I might as well. Um, well, let's do this. And I'm gonna repeat it a little faster. Okay, yeah, when I said it faster, it didn't bleep them out. It seemed to do fine with these words. It failed almost all of these. It didn't even censor this one at all. At the 1 minute timestamp. For context, it got like all the words. Alright, now I'm gonna repeat it a little faster. I don't know what this is. Oh, it didn't. Okay, it didn't catch that. That's an interesting one. Quick succession. Quick succession. Okay. Oh, the one that where it said that's interesting. Interesting again. Book? Nah, sweet cheeks. You need to get retrained. Okay, quick succession seems to work well. The last three missed. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. What the hell? Oh my gosh, that's funny as hell. When did the cursing start? I wish I could see my words. Well, I can see my saying words. Let me see the original video. Okay, there is a delay, noticeably. Um, because when I say this word, it goes wada, but instead it goes. For context, I go. There's time delay. In this one, there's a time delay. A heavy one, meaning an audio desync. Okay, well, if that's the case, that's ass, brother. Um, I'm trying to avoid an audio desync, but if there is a desync, then all of this is kind of, um, not great. Um, which makes me contemplate if this splitting thing might be better. I don't have a tape dispenser in here, do I? This is why I don't want to program any longer, because I knew I was gonna be doing shenanigans like this. Analyzing. Only edit audio. Okay, now I'm too pissed. Um, to not fix it. I'm gonna regret this in the morning. Dang it. Okay. Na, na. Ha, man, no. with it. Ah, shit. Good point. I'm too lazy. So theoretically, this should be better. Theoretically. I'm gonna, okay, it's already muted. After this, I'm going to bed, because I have 1 hour sleep. quality's so much better. So much better. Oh, idiot. Is that the... No? No, no, no. The words were bleeped out. What? What the hell? For ion info, start, end, print time filter. So apparently this is every time it did an audio clip, theoretically. It is not removing the curse words. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Might be this one. God, please. 444. Yes, okay, 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 okay. It just named it 2. So that was the problem. Okay. Because I forgot to add back in the part where it renames it to the same thing, as in deletes the old file and replaces the name of the edited file, as in the one that's running right now, this 2, back to its original, just no mode of cursing. You see the audio desync in my lips? Okay, so the slow one was perfect. Better than before. It only missed two words, which was uh this one and this one. And this is only here because of this one, meaning that this seems to be good. It seems to be good. Seems to be. I mean, I would argue that if you ran it through again, it would probably catch it. And that's excellent, by the way. Um, let's back it up and put a note. We should click it. This might be it, as in, like, the end, pretty much. Yeah. Let me check again. Okay, so where I said this word, the transcript saw this. So, Did I get push? Okay. Um. Well, at this rate. um. Ah. Crap. Thankfully, this is not a I tried to stop this process. You know what? I'll do that. That's fine. Um. What I need to do for run first is I want it to do this. I want to get the transcript of the second. Only this time around. Only this time around. And then from the second run, then I will want it to be, I don't think I'll need some of this. I don't think I need this anymore. That's alright, I'm not afraid anymore. Oh, shoot. Oh wait, hold on. What's going on here? Oh, I see. No. There we go. How long did that take? Like a minute or so. That's fine. If we run second, I want to run it on the second video. Thought it just ran though, didn't it? Well, it just ran fine. I'm confused. The output file doesn't look like it's finished. I forget sometimes that I need to delete the stuff in here and do that. Okay, 45 seconds. The array is empty. I think something went wrong. Here. That's not good. This means that my find cursing lines program's not working. Find cursing. There's something broken here. What the hell? What the hell? This is a problem for tomorrow. I'm not sure what's going on. That's just weird, dude. Because it worked flawlessly just now. Program 1 is running fine. Program 2 is hitting a fan. I don't like feeding this thing in my program. You know what? Let me try. Ugh. Oh yeah, 'cause my dumbass didn't save. God. Okay, so it's reading the words at least. And this is it's reading S. Okay, it looks like my order of operations. Uh, I'll work on this tomorrow. I don't have time. I technically am getting up in like less than 15 minutes. I'm gonna have to take a power nap and go from there. Cause I got too sucked into this and then a new problem arose. I don't have time to fix it and sleep and have a productive day tomorrow. So after I get homework and if I can do any of it or figure stuff out, I don't know. We'll figure out what's tomorrow. Cause tomorrow is my brother's birthday also. Well, rather today. For all these things. If I have time, I'll work on it. If I don't,